Okay, so here we go. First off, I want to say, Tyler, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching this video. Again, my name is Jeff. Company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video was to show you how you can decrease the value of your company with a website and online exposure. I know you said you've been getting a lot of calls from Yelp. Uh, you didn't want any of their ragged ass advertising. I understand that completely. I know that you're typically 3 weeks out, is what you said, and you need some help more than work. But let me show you how you could increase your work to get yourself some help, perhaps. Now, there's three key factors that you need in a website. You need content, backlinks, and citations. So I'll go over a few things. Bear with me if you already know what this means. So, of course, typing things in here into Google, these are considered keywords. I just typed in plumbers in Goldsboro because you said you were in Wayne County. And as you know, Google uses these words that are typed in to find websites that best fit this particular search criteria, search engine optimization, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or words that are getting typed in or the services that somebody wants. And when it finds these within websites, it categorizes these websites based on the search criteria, and that's how you establish a rank situation. Now, you typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords needed. So I typed in, plumbers in Goldsboro. Of course, a little ad section here. Then we have the maps or the map pack. Ranking here in the maps is a little different from the organic rank down below. This is based off your Google Business profile and the area of coverage that is directly connected to citations that you have. So you need citations. Citations are anything, name, address, and phone number that mirror your business profile. And then once Google sees that, it starts to rank you into the maps. Of course, directories for citations include Yellow Pages, BBB, Angie, Yelp, things of that nature. Enough citations that mirror your business profile and the area coverage ranks you and puts you in the map. Underneath is organic ranking. How do people get here on the first page? Why are these people here? Aside from Yelp or Angie, you want to organically rank, and that comes with content and backlinks. Now, I took this guy here, Goldsboro, North Carolina, quality plumbing, heating, experienced. His website, he's at number 3, so I want to show you a couple things. Quality, here he is. I took his website and I put it in this tool that I have. It's called Ahrefs. It shows me what's going on behind closed doors. And again, backlinks is something that I mentioned. A backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. Google uses that to build trust. It builds popularity. It creates popularity. Backlinks are a major player when it comes to ranking and trust, or being endorsed, being trust on Google, being recognized repeatedly by other referring domains. Of course, then we have referring domains, 16 of them directly connected out of that. We got 21 keywords, and that generates 142 views a month of traffic. Now, keywords is the same as what I was saying anytime you type something into Google. So understand that this is the search volume per this keyword or phrase per month. Plumbers, Goldsboro, North Carolina. Plumber, Goldsboro, North Carolina. Plumbers, plumbing. I'm sorry, 400. 350. Plumber, 400. Quality plumbing and heating, 900. Quality plumber, 400. Quality plumbing, 3,000 times. So I think you understand. Collectively, all this together creates a lot of exposure, a lot of people finding your website, looking at you. That turns into traffic, that turns into leads, those become sales. It is crucial to have the right content built into your website so that you get seen for what people are searching for or whatever services that they need done. Just to give you a little bit more, I wanted to say not all backlinks are created equal. You want a backlink with a strong domain rank and a fair traffic. For example, you wouldn't want Pizza Hut or the local ice cream shop referring back to your plumbing company. It doesn't carry as much weight as another plumbing company referring to you through their website through a backlink. And not all backlinks are created equal, so you should want to keep that in mind. There can be some that are dead in the water, but there aren't any right here on this first page to give you an example. Now, also, all the backlinks that he has, you can have, and then some. He's got 229, well, you want 350. He's got 21 keywords bringing in 142 views on traffic. You want 75, 80 keywords. It's that simple. You can have everything he has, and then you can tailor it to your service area. One other company I just wanted to kind of throw out there is Bill Halleck Plumbing. He's at number 6. So I've got him here as well. This is his site. And just to show you what he's going on, 138 backlinks, 16 referring domains, 15 keywords, bringing him 75 views of traffic. So this is really targeted. This is actually working very well for him. Even though he's in 6th place, he's still on the first page. Again, Plumbing, Goldsboro, North Carolina. We just saw this on the other website. So you could target all the same keywords, you target all the same backlinks, and then some to bring this together. Once these 3 things come together, content, backlink, citation, Google Business Profile, the area of coverage that you want, then Google sees that you are an authority in your position of your business and you are being endorsed and referenced by other websites and all of this, it all comes together and you rank and you get put right there on the first page. Without this, your website being built correctly with the right content and all these things included, I like to use the analogy of a business card on a desert island. Nobody's going to see it. You get a website built and you say to yourself, great, why don't I have any traffic? Why haven't things picked up? I just spent all this money on a website and nothing's going on. It has to be built correctly. It's just a little bit of tidbit information there I wanted to throw out your way. I hope that you find this helpful, or maybe you got a better understanding of how companies get on the first page and why this thing works the way it does. With that being said, hope you can get a better understanding of what's going on. If there's anything you'd like me to do, if you want to talk, if you want to look at realistic goals for your business, run ads for hiring, I mean anything, we can talk, we can chat, we can work it out. So I hope you appreciate this. Thanks for your time. Have a good night.